Ready to take your nail game from drab to fab with a chrome plaid design that's guaranteed to turn heads? First, gather your supplies. You'll need a base coat to protect your natural nails, black and red nail polish for the plaid design, your favorite chrome powder, a top coat to seal everything in, a thin nail art brush for creating the plaid lines, a sponge applicator for applying the chrome, and a lint-free wipe for cleanup. Begin by applying a thin layer of base coat to all your nails, ensuring full coverage to create a smooth canvas and protect your nails from staining. Let it dry completely before moving on. Next, apply 2 coats of black nail polish as your base color, allowing each coat to dry thoroughly. This dark base will make the chrome pop even more. Now for the plaid, using your thin nail art brush and red nail polish, carefully draw thin, vertical lines down each nail. Don't worry about perfection. The charm of plaid is in its slightly imperfect nature. Repeat the process, this time creating thin, horizontal lines that intersect with the vertical lines, forming the classic plaid pattern. Allow the design to dry completely before moving on to the next step. Once your plaid design is dry, it's time for the magic. Using a sponge applicator, gently rub the chrome powder onto each nail, focusing on even coverage. The powder will adhere to the tacky surface and create a mesmerizing chrome effect. Use a lint-free wipe to gently clean up any excess chrome powder from your skin around your nails, ensuring a clean and professional look. Finally, seal in your dazzling design with a generous layer of top coat. This will protect the chrome and plaid and give your nails a long-lasting, glossy finish. And there you have it, stunning chrome plaid nails that are sure to get you noticed. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more nail art tutorials.